Hello, I'm Dr. Vilas Kavekar. I would like to welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 8. Today's rubric is avarice. What do you mean by avarice? Avarice is a greed for money or wealth, an excess of instability, desire for health and gain, even though he is having enough. For example, her business empire brought her wealth beyond the dreams of avarice, that is extremely large amount of money, or he paid a month's rent in advance just enough to satisfy the landlord avarice. So these are the example of avarice. Then what is the Hindi meaning of avarice? That is कंजूस, लालची, लोभ. मराठी meaning हाव, लालस, द्रव्य लोभ. And what are the remedies for avarice? The first is arsenic, pulsatilla, silicia, dulcamara, lycopodium, phosphoric acid, sepia, and sulfur. So these are the remedies. Then we will see the differentiation. Silicia avarice has anxiety about future avarice from, or expensive everything seems to. In phosphoric acid, there is anxiety about future avarice from, and sepia, expensive everything seems to be, or squandering on oneself about, that is sepia. Then bryonia, there is anxiety about future avarice from. Then in calcaria there is a squandering on oneself, but there is avarice. Then carbovage, in carbovage there is a generosity towards strangers, avarice as regards to his family. Hyoscyamus, there is generosity towards strangers, avarice as regards to his family, but there is a squandering on oneself. This is Hyoscyamus. Then Natramur. In Natramur, there is generosity towards stranger, avarice as regards to his family. Then Naksumika, there is anxiety about future, avarice from. There is a generosity towards strangers, avarice as regards to his family, and there is a squandering on oneself. This is Naksumika. Now we will see the cross references of avarice. The first cross reference is anxiety business. Now, what is meant by anxiety? Anxiety is a state of being worried or fear about something, especially about the future. Anxiety has no definite cause. It is a worry, uneasiness, an uncomfortable feeling of nervousness or worry about something that is happening or might happen in the future. It is a discomfort about something doubtful, or it is a vague, unpleasant emotion that is experienced in anticipation of some misfortune. It expresses more than uneasiness or disturbance, and even more than a trouble or solicitude. Anxiety is a normal emotion that causes increased alertness, fear, and physical signs such as rapid heart rate. So, this is anxiety. Then, next cross reference is bargaining. A bargaining is a negotiating over the terms of purchase, or it is a discussion of price, condition, etc., with the aim of reaching an agreement that is acceptable. This is bargaining. Then covetous. Covetous means having a strong desire for the things that other people have. Desire to possess something which belongs to others, that is extreme desire to acquire or achieve something. This is covetous. Then delusion, business, fancies he is doing. What is meant by delusion? Delusion is a business, imagination, or it is a misleading opinion, idea, or false belief, or it is an erroneous belief that is held in the face of evidence to the contrary. This is delusion. The next cross reference, delusion, fortune that he is going to lose is, then delusion, money counting he is, delusion, money swayed up in clothing is, delusion, money talks of, delusion, poor things he is, delusion, starve things family will, delusion, thieves sees, delusion, wants had come to, delusion, wealth, imagination of. Then next is desire more than she needs. Then envy. Then envy means feeling of jealousy and spite for another good fortune, to wish that you had something that another person has. A feeling of resentful or discontented longing aroused by another person's better fortune, situation, etc. Envy occurs after the event. So this is envy. The next cross reference is fear of poverty. It is a frightful feeling having a definite cause, an unpleasant emotion or thought that you have when you are frightened or worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad things is happening or might happen. Fear is scared of or afraid of something. The next cross reference is greedy. Greedy means avarice, having overpowering desire for wealth and power in excess than required. Or it is a strong, very strong wish to continually get more of something, especially food or money. Then jealousy. Jealousy is envy or being jealous, or it is an intolerance of other possessing something. Jealousy is the feeling of anger or bitterness which someone has when they wish that they could not have the qualities or possession that another person's has. It is uneasiness which arises from the fear that another does or will enjoy some advantage which we desire for ourselves. Jealousy is often anticipatory and usually suspicious. Then what is then misery? What is misery? Misery is a great desire to save money, even from occasions where it is considered necessary to spend money, loving money and hate spending it. And this is misery. The next cross reference, rich to be desired. The next, selfishness. Selfishness is a caring too much for oneself with regards for others. Then next is ungrateful. Ungrateful means not grateful, having no definite gratitude for other who helped them. that is ungrateful. Then last cross reference is general starving of. Then we will see the miasm of avarice. Avarice miasm is psychosis. Then what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of avarice? First is antisocial personality disorder and second is schizophrenia. So this is in short about all about avarice. So friends, we will meet with new rubric in next episode. Till then, watch, like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.